Unlock the secrets to a smoother tax filing experience as we break down how to file your income tax return with confidence. First things first, gather all your essential documents. This includes proof of identity like your passport or ID, your social security number, and a record of your income. Think W-2 from employers, 1099 forms for freelance income, and any other earnings statements. Next, understand the crucial role of deductions and credits. Deductions reduce your taxable income, while credits directly reduce your tax bill. Explore common deductions such as those for home mortgage interest, state and local taxes, and potentially medical expenses. Take advantage of credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit or Education Credits if you qualify. Now, let's talk about the forms. The primary form for individuals is usually the 1040. You'll report your total income here. Then subtract your deductions on the relevant schedules. The information from your income statements and any supporting documents for deductions and credits will populate these sections. Double-check every entry for accuracy. Once your return is meticulously filled, you have options for filing. You can file directly through government websites or use tax software, which often guides you through the process step by step. Alternatively, you can print and mail your return. Whichever method you choose, ensure you meet the filing deadline to avoid penalties. Filing accurately not only ensures compliance but can help you maximize refunds or minimize the taxes you owe.